everyone, and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So today I am doing a what I got for Christmas, a luxury style. So I have opened up some of the biggest gifts that I received this year. So I wanted to share them with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first item, so I have two big items this year. And the first item is actually a pair of shoes. So for this year coming up, one of my, I don't want to say goals, but one of my focus is definitely going to be shoes. I feel pretty content with my handbag collection at the moment. There really isn't much that I'm lusting over. But there are a few shoes that I'm lusting over, and these have been on my wish list for a while, so I am very happy to have them in my collection. And actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you might already know because I did a poll between two Gucci shoes. So let me show you guys what I ended up with. So these are the Gucci, so here's what they look like. So this is the box, and it comes with all of the little pamphlets, informational stuff. So let me open this up. These are the Gucci, I think they're called Gucci Ace sneakers. And I've been wanting these for such a long time. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, aren't these so gorgeous? So I have been wanting these for a while, and they're just even better in person. So I was debating between two pairs. It was these, the Gucci Ace sneakers, and then there's a new, basically like retro version. I'll go ahead and leave the other ones down below. I will go ahead and link these as well. So like I mentioned, next year, one thing that I do want to focus on is basically shoes, luxury shoes. So these are both the sneakers, the Gucci Ace sneakers, and I think these are so gorgeous. And let me show you guys the detail in the back. So these sneakers actually have two different backs, a red and a green, which I think is so cute. I definitely wanted to invest in a good pair of sneakers, so I'm very thankful that I received these as a Christmas gift, and I can't wait to wear them. Especially right now, I feel like everything has kind of shifted more into a casual vibe. So I definitely wanted to up my sneaker game and wanted something a little bit more luxurious. So I can't wait to style these, and I can't wait to wear them. So I have one other luxury item, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So this is the dust bag that it came in, and can you guys guess what it is? So let me give you guys a hint. So I have been wanting this bag for a while. Actually, I've been lusting over it, I guess you can say. And what sold me is I watch Lux Mommy here on YouTube. If you don't follow her, I really recommend her videos. I find them so entertaining. And I love her handbag collection. So whenever she bought this bag in a suede color, I was like, oh my goodness, that is a gorgeous bag. So I did a little bit of research, and I actually tried this on in stores, and I was like, okay, maybe that could be on my wish list as a Christmas gift. So maybe you guys have already guessed it. It is this gorgeous Saint Laurent Nikki Bag. So this is the Saint Laurent Nikki Bag in the medium size, and I just think it's so gorgeous. Let me show you guys. So the structure of it and the look of it reminds me a lot of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, and I love that style. I just fell in love with this look. So as you can see, I mean, this is so cute, and I can't wait to wear this in like summer, winter, spring. I feel like this color is very versatile, like a neutral tone. And I love how this YSL logo is very understated. It's not in the regular gold hardware. It matches the bags. And I believe most of the Nikki bags, the YSL logo is more on the understated, which I love. So let me show you guys the inside. So this is what the inside looks like. So it does have 2 pockets here, and it also comes with a zipper compartment. But I feel like this is a lot more casual, and I feel like this is a lot more on the edgier side, which I really love. And I love this color because I have a couple of shoes that I've been eyeing for the summer that actually match this color. So I am just over the moon that I received this as a Christmas gift this year. And so it does come with these 2 straps, and you can wear this bag very different ways. So you can go ahead and basically use it as a shoulder bag here on your shoulder, and it sits very well. And I believe this bag is the perfect versatile bag because it's not too big, it's not too small. You can definitely wear it as an over the shoulder kind of a bag, and then you can also wear it as a crossbody. So another thing that I love is that these chain straps come with leather straps here. So even if you wear it on your shoulder or if you wear it crossbody, the actual chain will not dig into your shoulder, which is definitely a plus, especially whenever you're talking about a bigger bag like this, where you can actually fit more items and thus making the bag heavier. I just can't wait to style it. I can't wait to style this purse, and I can't wait to style these new sneakers that I am just so excited for. I will go ahead and link everything down below, as well as the other sneakers that I was lusting over, which I still can't basically get them out of my head. They're definitely different, but I think those shoes are just perfect for basically an everyday summer shoe with like cutoff shorts. Anyways, I'll leave them down below. I'll leave the Gucci A sneakers linked below. I'll leave this purse down below linked, and then I also will link the other Gucci shoes. But yeah, this is my luxury items, basically my bigger items that I received for Christmas this year. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.